please?
What?
Your name?
My name is Loretta.
Loretta. What's your last name?
Memai.
Mema. And how long ago did you come to?
How long?
When did you come here?
January.
January.
January 1st.
Wow. And before here, where did you live?
Before here, no, I came to Metro.
Okay.
Before Metro, come to Wache.
Okay.
Finish Wache High School. Maybe only one month, and I came here
Okay.
and stay with my mother
Oh, okay. And you came from where?
from Yap,
What island in Yap?
Outer Island,
What's the name?
Lamatrek.
Lamatrek.
Lamatrek finish, I came to the center
Okay.
and came to Ponte. Finish and I
Oh, Micronesia. How do you like life on Woche?
came.
It's good. How is it different from Yap? Life on Yap.
Like, look like I said all of them is same,
Yeah. Same food?
different,
Like what?
because we don't eat pandanus.
In Yap. No, you don't eat it.
We don't. But this island they eat pandanus.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
And what else?
And all this food they eat in here it's same, but only pandanus we don't eat.
You don't eat. You eat the same fish?
Yeah.
Same fish. Mm. House is the same as Yap? Clothes? Same?
Clothes. Same.
Same clothes? And you speak Marshallese now?
Little bit.
A little bit. You learn fast. What do you like best about Woche? What's your favorite thing?
It's good because we plenty people. It's good because the people are good to people.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my
What's your favorite?
theme. But it's good. The school.
The school? You like the school? That's good. That's good. And what do you like best about where you come from, about Yap?
Yeah. I like because I stay with my grandmother and grandfather.
That's right. But here now you're with your mother.
But my father's from Yap.
He's from Yap, from Lemmerton. Oh, that's good. You have brothers and sisters here?
Yeah, I have one brother, but one is in Wache.
Mm.
Do you see Foster's house?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know the fat boy? Tatu, his name is Tatu.
No, I'm sorry, I don't know him.
Yeah, he's there. That's my younger brother.
Oh. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
And who taught you how to cook?
What?
Who taught you to cook? How do you learn to cook?
Just come and sit with them and I watch what they're doing and I learn.
What's your favorite food?
Maybe I like pandanus.
Because it's new to you.
Yeah.
Did you eat all those right there?
What?
You ate all those?
Yeah. All of us we eat. There we have some you guys don't eat.
Okay. Wow. If someone were coming to come visit Woche, where would you take them? Do you have a favorite place? Is there anything special you like to do here?
Look like I don't have.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Can you tell me what kind of work you do during the day? Every day, what work do you have?
In this island,
Yeah.
we we wash clothes
Yeah.
and we cook
Uh-huh.
and we went to live
Yeah, ocean.
and someday we don't have something to do. We sleep and rest for a little while. Finish, come back and not only cook, we always do.
Mm.
Always cook food to eat because we have plenty kids at this house.
I have a question. How is Marshallese culture different from Yap culture? Mantin Majo, Mantin Majo, Ogodak, Din Mantin Yap.
Different because they this island they use t-shirt,
Oh,
but us we don't.
you don't use them now.
That's the difference.
Biggest difference. And what about, do you have Iroj
Yeah.
on Yap?
Yeah.
They live with you or they live away from you?
They live.
And they take, what do they do there? How do they take care of you?
They look like I cannot explain it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they watch them what they're doing and they're the one who said nobody will use t-shirt.
They make the rules? That's good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See, the door's missing. They're used to make ovens. Want to see how thick they are? Let's see if we can get it in there. I'd say it's about 2 feet. I'm trying to see. Direct it. 오거다.